Ouch. See. Oh, there's a bubble. Ooh. Huh. Can you see? My pores are blurred out. Can you guys see that? Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is my second video in the Diwali with Deepti series. So thank you for tuning in. In this video, we are going to see how to deal with the clogged pores. I know my oily skin girls always suffer from blackheads and whiteheads and clogged pores. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to remove your blackheads and whiteheads using a peel-off mask. So let's move on to the video. As Diwali is approaching, we all want a clear and glowing skin, isn't it? Obviously, on the day of Diwali, we will be wearing our makeup, might be heavy, full face of makeup, and we don't want our blackheads and whiteheads to pop on top of the foundation. I face the same problem. If you want your makeup to look wonderful on the Diwali day, then you must take care of your skin. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to clear your blackheads and whiteheads using a peel-off mask. So let's move on to the video. So this is how my nose looks right now. It has a lot of clogged pores, blackheads and whiteheads. So this is the before situation. You could see a lot of clogged pores, blackheads and whiteheads. So this is the situation before using the peel-off mask. I have zoomed you guys in to see clearly what is happening on my skin. So before starting with the peel-off mask, put a headband on, guys. Peel-off mask usually sticks with the hair, and that really is a difficult task to remove the hair from the mask. So always put your headband on and yeah, clear your hairline. Yeah. So now I'm going to use the Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Peel-Off Mask. This is a product that is made in India. It has no parabens and no silicone, no mineral oil and no sulfate in it. It suits all skin types. So go ahead and today I've chosen this mask to unclog my pores. Before applying this mask, let's cleanse our face with some raw unboiled milk. Let me bring that. Yeah. So here is the raw unboiled milk. You can also use chilled milk if you like. I don't really like chilled milk, so I'm using a raw unboiled milk directly from the packet. So I'm dipping a cotton into the milk and I'm going to wipe my face with this. This preps the skin for the next step. This also removes any dirt and pollutants that is stuck in the skin. And there you can see my mustache.
Humor.
Do not use a peel-off mask if you have any active acne. So make sure that your skin is free from any active acne. I have some spots that are left by acne, but these are not active. So don't use if you have active acne. I have thoroughly cleansed my face with the milk and cotton. So now I'm going to wash my face with just water. Do not use any soap or a face wash while washing this off. Just use your normal regular water to wash this off. So let me come back. I'm back here after washing my face. So this is how my nose looks right now. It feels cleansed and fresh. So let's move on to the second step. Before that, make sure that you tighten the mask once again. I'm really scared of getting the peel-off mask stuck on my hair. Okay, let's move on. So as I told you earlier, I'm using the Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Peel-Off Mask. So this peel-off mask detoxifies, hydrates and nourishes and rejuvenates the skin. Ouch. See. Oh, there's a bubble. Ooh. Okay. this is how it looks like. This is not that sticky as you see on camera. This is not that sticky. I mean, it is sticky, but obviously it is a peel off mask, but not that very sticky like a glue. This spreads really nice. Do not apply this around the eye area or the areas where you have hair growth, like the eyebrows and over your upper lip. If you want, you can apply it on the upper lip, but I really don't prefer my peel off mask to be applied on upper lip area.
You can apply a thick layer. You can apply a thick layer of this. Do not be scared to apply a thick layer of this peel off mask. Be very careful when touching this area. I didn't take care of my skin for the past 2 to 3 weeks because of my sister's wedding, and I did not even scrub my face. So this peel off mask is going to take care of my clogged pores.
So this is how my face looks right now just after applying the peel off mask. This is just after I have applied the peel off mask. A good thing about this peel off mask is that you can also wash this mask. If you feel painful to remove the mask, or if you feel scared, or you cannot tolerate the minimum pain, you could still wash your face off with a lukewarm water. So this is one thing that I really like about this mask, because some people really feel scared to peel the mask off from their skin. So if you are a person like that, you can wash your face with a lukewarm water after 20 minutes. I've used this mask more than 4 times before, and it was not that painful at all. It was not even painful. I'm a person who cannot tolerate even a little bit of pain. Even plucking an eyebrow is like delivering a baby to me. So let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes for this to dry. So guys, it's been 15 minutes since I applied this, and it has dried out completely and feels a tightening like the usual peel off mask. It feels tightening. So let's come remove this. See, it's not at all painful. It came very easily. Huh. Can you see? My pores are blurred out. Can you guys see that? Yeah. My skin feels very soft, and I feel it has brightened up my face. This mask is so good. Yeah. So now this is the peel off mask, and let's throw this off. My skin feels brighter than before. It was dull before. So if you watch it closely, my skin has brightened up. And for the next step, I'm going to apply the Oriental Botanics Tea Tree Serum. So I prefer this tea tree serum because acne skin loves a tea tree. This is oily skin girl's best friend. Oily skin loves this ingredient, and I'm applying this on my face. This one is also from the same brand, and I love the size of this bottle. This is just 20 ml, and I think this is good enough. So what this step does is this suits the skin from the peeling procedure. Your skin would have felt a little bit irritated because of the peeling, and this serum suits the skin from that. So that's it guys, and now you can see my clogged pores as it reduced. You can do this procedure once in a week. So make sure you cleanse, apply the peel off mask and then apply a nice serum. I cleansed my face with the raw unboiled milk, and I used Oriental Botanics peel off mask, and then I used Oriental Botanics tea tree serum. So this is what I used, and you could see the result by yourself. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. Until then I will see you in my next video. This is me Deepti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.